Good morning, everyone. Today, guys, I'm just gonna show you some other hustle you can do in England. Yeah, I know it's work, but this is work as well. But it's different from your own boss when you're doing this. There's something they call Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex, you deliver using your own vehicle. The insurance and everything, it's sorted. They will do it for free. All you have to do is make sure you've got your own car. It doesn't affect your insurance as well, because they will provide the insurance when you're doing deliveries, because obviously you need business insurance. So insurance, you are covered. These days they're charging, I think, about 43p per hour, which is nothing really. Like today I'm doing 4 hours, so I can do 4 hours in the morning, 4 hours in the evening if I'm not working. This is the money you can use to buy you other stuff, you know, like kids' presents for Christmas and stuff. So you watch me picking my stuff, and then I will tell you further what you can do. Right. This is the Amazon. This is where I am now. I'm in Amazon Kegworth. By the way, guys, it's not only in Derby where they do this. You can always do it everywhere you are. There is Amazon Flex. Yeah. So if you're in Midlands, you can pick from anywhere. I can do Leicester. I can pick in Nottingham. I can do Derby. I can pick yeah, any Midlands. You know, I can do. When you are in Northampton, you can do Milton Keynes as well. There are lots of places you can pick. So anyway, guys, I don't want to waste your time. You can watch me here now. I'll show you what you can do. Honestly, if you do this, if you register on Amazon Flex, you thank me later. Yeah, make sure you've got a car. Also, take your license with you, because sometimes they are funny. They want to see your license. There's a day I forgot and they turned me away. I had to go home. Look, these are all Amazon vans, but I'm not doing the vans. I use my own car. They call it Amazon Flex. I enjoy it, guys. I normally do it when it's busy. I don't just do it every day. I do it from November to probably January. And I do it when it's Easter. Whenever it's busy, I do it. I enjoy it. To me, it's like a hobby as well. You know, because I don't mind driving. I like driving. So to me, that's not a problem. To me, that's not a problem. Yeah. So my first pick is what time is my first pick? 8:30. 8:30, guys. Yeah, that's a good side hustle. This doesn't affect your tax or anything, because anything less than £1,000 a month won't affect your tax, which is good. So let me see what's gonna happen here, if this guy's gonna ask me for my license or not. Hello, boss. How are you? Yeah, I'm good. License.
34 hours to be for the front desk. 4 hours, yes?
Yes.
Follow this line.
Thank you. Busy?
Yes.
Right, guys, look. Just right, guys, I've got my parcels now. I'll show you. My car is packed. As you can see, I've got my parcels inside the boot, some in passenger seat. So what I'll do is I'll pack my parcels according to the postcodes. Like today I'm going to Nottingham, so I packed NG5 on their own, NG7 on their own. Yeah, it's easy, guys. It's easy. Trust me. All you need is, yeah. So if you are interested in this Amazon Flex, just leave the comment below. Yeah, I can help you through it. I can help you through it. If you come into my inbox, I might not, because you know I'll have lots of people coming to my inbox asking, so it's gonna be like another job for me. So I'm not doing it, because I remember I'm not charging you to you know, to teach you how to do the Amazon Flex. But you thank me later, guys. This is good. I've been doing it for 4 years. I've been doing it for 4 years. So yeah, it's easy. When I find somewhere to park, I will show you. My boot is packed. I've got 40 deliveries to do. I've got 40 deliveries to do. Yeah. So the thing is, I use, like now I'm using my phone to do a lot of stuff, because I scan the parcels using the phone. Yeah, there's an app they will send you, and you'll be using your phone to do everything. Yeah, it's easy, guys. You know, this won't affect your salary. Remember, I told you, as long as you're earning £1,000, less than £1,000 on your side hustle job, you'll not be penalized. Yeah. So anyway, let's go. Right, guys, I'm on my first drop now. Look, so all in all I've got 40 parcels. It's only I'm using the same device I'm using to scan is the same device I'm using to record. Otherwise I should have shown you how to scan parcels. Yep, it's easy, guys. It's easy. I've dropped my first parcel. I'm going to the next one now. Yeah, as I told you guys, if you're interested, comment below. I'll help you to set it up. The other thing is, if you are new, even if you deliver half of your parcels, let's say you deliver 20 out of 40, they'll still pay you for the whole delivery. They're not going to pay you only for half the delivery, no, because they know when you're starting, it's not easy. So they expect you to improve as you go. But I'm telling you, after 2-3 deliveries, straight away you are in it. It's very easy. So catch you on the next episode, guys. Nice one. Don't forget to leave a comment. Also subscribe to my channel. I do lots of videos here, adventure videos and everything. So I know this one is quite informative, and you know, it's nice. You learn one or two. All right, guys, I'm finished. I'm done. I was supposed to finish at 12:30. I finish 12 o'clock, so half an hour early bonus for me. Now I'm going home. It's empty now, you know, as easy as that. So guys, let's make money for Christmas. Yeah, outer.